Okay, so we're here at my first ever farm toy show, and so here's the setup. A lot of really cool CD model stuff. Those combines, ooh, those are so cool. And we got some in the box stuff over here. So we're done for the day. So we just had some water. There's some of the glass things I made, and then here are kind of my custom. So there you go. Some more doing the box stuff, and then I think the big winner is my wife because she's made these signs and she's pretty much sold at least half of the ones she made so far. So pretty good. This hotel's awesome, by the way. Huge room. So like if you've ever been to a toy show, you know a lot of it is like squeezing in and out of rooms, but these are huge, big entranceways. Just big rooms. So this hotel here at the Quincy show, Mark Twain show is incredible. So, all right, guys, more later.